Yo, this is how you can earn money from free members in Nexus Snap. Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, Nexus Snap is quickly becoming one of the most popular network marketing opportunities out there. More and more people are hearing about this opportunity and joining this opportunity. Now, recently I had somebody join my team and they were asking me, hey, how do you earn money from free members? Because I seen somewhere where they was talking about that, you could actually earn some money without, somebody upgrading to be a premium member. So first of all, if you are a premium Nexus Snap member, you can earn money from free signups. But, all right, there is a but. This comes from them actually using the free apps that they get access to as a free member. So let me break it down a little more. All right. So say you are a premium Nexus Snap affiliate. All right. So you can earn money, when somebody joins you and becomes an affiliate. You can earn a $25 fast start commission. They get put into your matrix. You can earn match bonuses, all that good stuff. Right. So whenever you do become a Nexus Snap premium member or affiliate, yes, you obviously want people to upgrade and become an affiliate just like you, because some people will join as a free member. So when they do join, they're going to get access to 3 free apps. And most people already heard of these apps, but they will be in their back office. So a free member is going to get access to the Fetch app. Right, that's where you scan receipts and everything. They're going to get access to the Rakuten app, all right, and then they're going to get access to the Upside app. That's the app where you get paid like money every time you get gas and things like that. All right, each one of those apps have their own referral program. All right, so when someone joins Nexus Snap using your affiliate link and they join those free apps and use them, you are going to earn a referral bonus. But it's not coming from Nexus Snap, all right? Your referral bonuses are coming from those 3 individual apps. So when you watch the Nexus Snap presentation video, you'll see where the owners will say you can earn up to $34 on free signups. And this is because when someone joins your Rakuten app, you're going to get $30, right? For every person that signs up with Rakuten and actually take advantage of the Rakuten promotion, you're going to get $30. When someone joins you in Fetch, right, the Fetch app, you're going to get around like a $2 bonus, something to that effect. So that's a $32. And when you end up using the Upside app, you get a little points bonus that averages around $2. So that's where the $34 on free signups come from. Like, don't get confused. Like, if somebody, because a while ago, I think somebody was talking about, like, they thought if someone joined just by them joining for free, like, you got paid. Well, that wouldn't even make sense, right? Like, where would that money come from if somebody joined for free? And, where would that money come from? But yes, if someone joins Nexus Snap as a free member and they use the apps in your back office, because the apps in your back office are all connected to you. So you're going to get those referral bonuses. Now keep in mind, if someone joins free and they don't use any of the apps in the back, if they don't use any of the free apps, which why wouldn't they, but whatever, then you don't get anything, right? You will not earn anything. If someone joins Nexus for free and don't do anything, you won't earn any money. But the idea is, if someone joins you for free, you shouldn't be all discouraged, right? You shouldn't be like, oh damn, I just seen somebody join for free, man, I ain't getting no money. Well, first of all, when they join for free, you are putting yourself in a position to earn some money, right, from the free apps. But a lot of people sign up for free, and then after a few days, even a few weeks, they decide to upgrade and become a premium member and an affiliate, which drastically increase your earnings, because free members will get exposed to the benefits of becoming a premium member. And most people, when they see the difference between being a free member and what you get if you upgrade to a premium member, a lot of people are like, well, damn, you know what I'm saying? Like, why wouldn't I upgrade to become a premium member and actually be able to earn money? Because as a premium member, you get access to exclusive apps, right? Which will allow people to save a lot more money, to get cash back, to get take part of a bill reduction program, Zoom discounts, medical prescription discounts. All of that you get as a premium member for $9.95 a month. Like I said, you want people to join you as a premium member, but it's all good if people join you as a free member. You still can make money. So if you haven't joined Nexus Snap yet, I don't know what you waiting for. All right, click that first link in the description, join for free or become a premium member, and either way I will see you, you on the team.